How to fix Yelp app not working on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the Yelp app not working on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with step 1, that is to force close the app. So here simply tap and hold on the app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info, and after that you'll be prompted to the app settings. Now here once you see the interface like this, at the bottom left corner you can see the force stop button. So simply tap on it, and after that confirm it by tapping on OK, and after that you can reopen the app to check if it is working or not. And with that, moving forward to the step 2. So here, if the app is still not working, you can simply go back to the settings, and now here once you're inside the app settings again, you can just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on it, and now here from the pop-up menu you can just tap on clear cache, and once you're done clearing cache, just clear all data. And here, if this doesn't work, we can also try to log out. So here with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to update the Yelp app. So here simply open the Play Stores, and now here once you're inside the Play Store, simply search for the Yelp app, and now here check if this app has any update or not. If there is an update, just tap on update to update it, because the update can fix the bugs and improve performance. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to restart your phone. So sometimes a simple restart can help to do a trick. So hold down your power button and tap on restart, and after that once you have restarted the phone, just open the Yelp app again and check there if it works again. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to check your internet connection. So here make sure that you are connected with the proper Wi-Fi or mobile data, because poor connection can make Yelp freeze and not load properly. And if none of these steps work, then you can just uninstall the app, and after that you can simply reinstall it from the Play Store, and it will give you a fresh version of the app again. And that's it. One of these steps should fix your Yelp app not working on Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.